I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on off the grid. This exciting game offers a dynamic economy where your actions directly impact your earning potential. You can accumulate valuable GUN tokens and unique NFT items through engaging gameplay. These assets can then be traded on the in-game marketplace, allowing you to build wealth and customize your experience. Let's dive into the specific strategies. One of the primary ways to earn off the grid is by actively participating in the Extraction Royale mode. Focus on completing daily, weekly, and monthly missions, as these consistently reward you with GUN tokens. Your performance in each match also contributes to your earnings. Achieving more kills, assists, and a higher team placement will increase your GUN payout. Additionally, successfully extracting hexes from matches is crucial for obtaining valuable NFT items. The in-game marketplace is a central hub for wealth generation. After extracting hexes, you can decode them to reveal unique NFT items like weapons, cyberlimbs, and cosmetic skins. These items can then be listed and traded with other players, creating a player-driven economy. By understanding supply and demand, you can strategically buy and sell items, potentially acquiring rare gear or profiting from market fluctuations. This allows for a truly dynamic trading experience. To maximize your earnings, consider advanced strategies. An OTG Pro subscription can provide a substantial boost, up to 5 times, to your GUN token acquisition rate and grants access to the marketplace for selling items. Also, keep an eye out for Discord quests, which often offer exclusive free rewards and hexes. Prioritize collecting rare and early-season NFT items, as these unique assets could become highly sought after by collectors, increasing their value over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.